Es una burla. Stop right now. If you think you know Spanish, Dominican Spanish is about to wreck your brain. Even some natives get confused. And I'm Dominican. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple step-by-step plan to actually sound Dominican, not textbook Spanish. Forget apps for now. You need to see how Dominicans really speak. Watch El Alfa music videos. Learn rhythm and slang. Yelling clips. Fast, expressive Spanish. La Casa de Alofoque 1 y 2. Reality shows full of casual Dominican speech. Tip: don't pause to translate. Just listen, mimic, and get confused. That's how your brain learns. Step 2. Focus on final buzzwords. Dominican Spanish is all about efficiency, slang, and shortcuts. Learn this first. Vaina. Thing, object, situation, problem. Se cree gente. Full of themselves. Que si yo qué. Whatever. Next topic. Tirar la piedra y esconder la mano. Cause drama. Act innocent. Mini exercise. Listen to a clip. Pause and repeat exactly how they say it, even the dropped letters. Step 3. Master the pronunciation tricks. Dominicans delete letters like snacks. Estoy cansado. Estoy cansado. Más o menos. Para allá, para allá. Also, pay attention to tone and the speed. Sometimes words change meaning completely depending on how they say it. Step 4. Learn the filler words. Dominicans don't say or like the same way. They use thinking. Tú sabes, you know. Como que, kind of. Take a 30-second clip, repeat every filler sound exactly. You'll sound way more natural. Step 5. Speak even if it's wrong. Here's the biggest truth. You'll sound awkward at first. That's okay. Try this mini conversations. Example, ¿Qué lo que? ¿Todo bien? Yes, I'm good. ¿Qué lo que? What's up? Ese tipo se cree gente. He thinks he's better than everyone. Tip: don't worry about grammar. Focus on rhythm, tone, and slang. So here's your 4-step plan to Dominican Spanish fluency. Immerse in culture, music, shows, learn final buzzwords, master pronunciation, shortcuts, speak like crazy, fillers included. If you follow these steps, in a few weeks, people will think you're Dominican. Comment below. Which phrase are you going to use first?